Hey everybody, I'm back here. I wanted to show you a little bit of maintenance, how I maintain these filters for the shop vac. As you can tell, it's kind of dirty. I've had this one for about 2 months and I've gotten a little bit of use out of it, about a handful of times, a little bit more, and now it's time to clean the filter. I want to maintain them, make sure they last. And this one here is a HEPA B filter size from the True HEPA air purifier. And you can also use it to clean off the carbon filters. I'm using my air compressor here, blow off all the dust. Just try to maintain it so that the filters last a little bit longer in between purchasing and things like that. You can also use it for any kind of air filters, furnace filters, things like that. So I wanted to just try to show you how I do it. I always put a mask on to blow the stuff out, but it does pretty good. You want to make sure you're doing it in an open area, making sure there's no not doing it inside or anything like that. Dust will just fly everywhere, so it's best to just clean these outside. So here we go. Okay, that's just a little of the gist of how it works. I'll spend a little bit more time doing this, but you guys don't need to see me doing this for 30 minutes. You get the point. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I like to make sure the filters last as long as possible. Of course, you still want to replace the filters. This isn't a permanent fix-all. I mean, eventually you're going to have to replace them, but it does maintain them so your machines last a little bit longer. So hope you enjoyed that and hope it was helpful. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.